So, Skillora is a website where you can prepare for job interviews by taking practice mock interviews. So, we recently added a few small features which we think will be useful for you. So, one of them is uh, setting a level of difficulty for the questions you might expect in the mock interview, and also now you can take interviews based on the years of experience you have, the industry you are working in, and so apart from that, we worked on the response time of the audio of the interviewer, like the AI interviewer, and also the audio quality. Yeah, so I'll show a quick demo and what it can do. So let's say I'll take an interview on React.js. Let's set the difficulty level to medium, and I'll create an interview. Yeah, now we'll start the interview.
Hello, Mangal Prada. It's a pleasure to interview you today. Let's dive into some questions about React.js. Can you explain how React's virtual DOM works and how it contributes to the performance improvements in web applications?
Okay, now I can answer this by clicking on this data. Okay, so a virtual DOM is a representation of the real DOM. It is used to calculate the minimum number of changes required in the real DOM. So making changes directly on the real DOM is expensive. So we use virtual DOM to compare and find out the minimum number of changes required, and we only make those changes to which is more efficient and helps us in performance, which makes it better performant. Okay, yeah, now I have submitted. Now it will process my answer and will come up with a follow-up answer, a follow-up question.
Great start. You've touched on the essentials of the virtual DOM in React. To delve a bit deeper, could you explain the process of reconciliation in React and how does React decide what needs to be updated in the actual DOM based on the virtual DOM?
Yeah, now this is a follow-up question that I can answer. So um, if I go to my interviews, then I can see my previous interviews, and I can see like how did I do, and I can also play the audio of it. Okay, so a virtual DOM is a representation of the real DOM. It is used to calculate the. Yeah, so and it also gives me feedback on like how did I do, and so the follow-up question that you see, so it is so we have designed it in such a way that the follow-up question you get, it is not just a uh, previously fixed question. These questions are actually dynamic, and these are based on the answer you give first. So the AI interviewer tries to grill you on each of those answers, and make sure that you get really challenging questions. And so I believe this will definitely help you prepare for interviews. So if you create an account, you'll get free uh, four free interviews. So please give it a try and give us your feedback. Thank you.